Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for FirstTrade account. So in order to create a new account or sign up for FirstTrade, make sure that you've downloaded the FirstTrade application on your device. Once you've done so, tap on the app icon to open it up. Now from the first interface, you will be able to see Open an Account button, which you should press on, and then it'll take you to the sign up page for FirstTrade. Now you will need to select whether you'd like to verify your account with a text message or phone call, and then enter your mobile number after selecting your country code from the drop-down. After typing in a phone number, tap on Get Verification Code and wait for the verification code to arrive on your mobile number via SMS. Once you receive your verification code, go ahead and type it in inside the code text box and tap on the Continue button. Now, select your country of your citizenship and then select your birth country as well. After you are done, tap Next and you will now need to verify your identity. Upload a passport photo page as shown on the display on the screen. Go ahead and select the front size of your passport and then the back side of your passport and tap on Next. Follow through the prompts till the end. Enter additional information about you such as your name, username, and much more. Set up a user ID and create a password for your account, and then you will be able to sign up for FirstTrade. After creating an account, you can log into your FirstTrade account by using your username and password associated with the account that you created during the sign up process. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.